course po, everyday po meron po kaming rehearsals and minsan po it's a band rehearsal, minsan po it's a dance rehearsal or pinagsasabay na rin po. And kailangan po talagang i-practice po yung mga kanta at saka memorize po yung lyrics and I have to build my stamina po para po makasayaw at makakanta po ako at the same time.
Meron bang things na bawal mong gawin ngayon na malapit na yung concert mo?
Of course po yung mga kinakain ko po kailangan po hindi po malamig tsaka hindi po matamis para po ma-maintain po yung boses ko po. Kasi baka po pag dumating na po yung concert pa, so yun po.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Any more questions from our friends from the media? Yes, madam.
Hi, Darren.
Hi po.
I'm DJ Alan of 102.7 Star FM.
Hi po.
A while ago, sinabi mo na, of course, passion mo is singing. What if after the concert or dun sa pagiging, pagiging singer mo, what if may mag-invite sa'yo to act naman? Would you be open to that?
Open, very open to the idea of acting po. And I'm very fascinated po by actors, so I'd love to try acting po.
Di naman sa concert mo, makakasama ba yung mga co-finalists ng The Voice?
Hindi po, pero I heard they'll be watching po. Opo. Sabi naman po nila. Thank you po.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Any more questions? Any more questions? Please feel free. We're down to our last few minutes for you to throw in your questions for Darren. Yes. Yes, sir.
Hindi yun, na-open up na yun sa co-finalist niya. Darren, sino namimili ng guest mo sa concert?
Nagmi-meeting po yung MCA, yung mga producers po, and sinasama din po nila ako, and dun po.
Alam ko, MCA rin yata yung ibang finalist mo sa The Voice, di ba? Bakit daw hindi sila naisama dito? Kumbaga parang since birthday concert mo to, parang maganda rin sana kasama mo, parang reunion nyo ulit, di ba? Bago magsimula yung season 2 ng The Voice Kids.
We love to, pero yung mayroong mga schedule po. So,
pero sabi naman ni Laika, ano naman daw, magsusuporta naman daw silang The Voice Kids.
opo.
Okay.
Tsaka Glenn, parang nag-concert na din yata sila magkakasama before.
Magkakasama.
Yes po.
Parang bagong concept naman.
Yes, para naka-focus naman kay Darren buong concert.
Okay.
Tama ba, Sir Sammy?
Tama po, thank you. Okay, thank you po.
Thank you po.
Okay, so I guess that's it. Wala na po bang habol? Yes, sir.
Hi, Darren.
Hi po.
Happy birthday.
Thank you po.
Tanong ko is, what are the songs that you dream of singing, both current and old songs? And are there artists that you want to parang sing their songs na hindi mo pa nakakanta?
Yes po. We'll be doing that po. We'll be doing medleys and mashups of current songs and yung mga, of course, yung mga classic hits po. And, of course, I dedicate yung mga songs po to the songwriters na gumawa po nun for the wonderful music. Yun po.
May mga songs ka ba na gustong kantahin from the old times?
Of course, makakasama po yung mga hits ko po na parang, yung ngayon po makakasama po. And then there's also going to be a medley. So yun po.
No mention of titles?
Surprise na lang po.
Okay.
And
Thank you.
thank you po.
Thank you very much. Okay, so wala na po bang hahabol for our questions? So Darren, can you please join me right here in front?
Sige po.
So Darren, I wish you all the best sa concert mo, and of course, we know it's gonna be successful. So this time, could you please invite them once again na manood ng concert mo this coming Friday?
Yes po, the birthday concert happening on May 29 sa Friday na po yan. So sana po supportan niyo po. I'll be with Bimbi, Robbie Domingo.